Hello everyone, Sandeep here once again. Today I am going to explain how to create dynamic cell height using auto layout. So here we go. So first we have to create one sample app, create new project, yeah, single view application, sample table app. So I'm going to create in Swift application. I'm not using any core data unit test and UI test. So here we go. App. Yeah. So we have yeah. So first we have to create the one table view. I will create one. I'm going to create in view controller, not taking a table view controller. I'm just going to create this one view controller. UI table view added. Give the constant all 0 and it will be added. Give the data source, delegate, and I'm going to create a custom cell, not a default one. I'm not going to use. I'm just creating the custom cell. So first I will give the no, table view table view constant. We have give the object. Now I will create one cell. We give new group. Create new group. Name is cell and new file. Yep. So I will create one sample table view cell. Sample table view cell. I'm just going to create it. Yeah. So here we have to give the name, identifier name. So I'm just give the identifier name is sample cell. Okay, I'm just copy and I will create the cell, one simple cell. I will create UI view. Okay, for background, see the background only, not just move 1 1 1 1 1 11 11 11 and this color I will give this blue, and here is your label. When we add the label, so I'm just going to give 88888, and the main part of dynamic cell height, we have to give the cell. First I will change the color, yeah, and some font family. Looks good. Okay, fine, that's good. For if you need a label automatic increase as per the text, so you have to remove this line number as a 0, so it will be dynamically change, and line break we have to give word uh, wrap, or we can give the character wrap also, so it will be changed. If we increase this cell, you can see it will be automatic change. So I'm just, that's fine, everything is looks good. Yeah, it's done, I think. mm, yeah, okay. Okay, so we have to create table view extension. So extension and view controller, give UI table view data source, UI table view delegate, and here we go. um, Number of section, return 1. Table view number of row in section, return as per the array. And I first I need to give the array. I will need to give the array, but I am not given right now, so I'm just giving the 0 right now in this one. And table view cell for row attended path, so we have to give proper name convention, or like table view let. I have created sample so sample cell equals to table view dot dq reuse identify this one. And identifier I have given uh, yeah, I will 1 minute. I will give index path as sample table view, and I have given identifier name is sample cell. Yeah, here we go. Cell return and cell. Okay, yeah, it's done. And what is the problem? Yeah, it's fine. But when we register, means when we creating custom cell, we need to give proper. Oh, sorry, sample cell. So when we register we created the custom cell, we need to give this registration in a cell. We have to register the cell first, another it will be not take value. Yeah, so self dot uh, sample table view dot register with nib UILab dot init. Yeah, and nib name we have given sample cell. I think we need to check what is the exact one. Is a sample cell, so we have to give the proper sample cell name, comma for, sorry, it's already there. Yeah, and sample cell I given the wrong xib name is the samples table view cell. Yeah, now is fine. And the most important part, uh, we have to give function name register table view cell. I just remove this return type as well, and copy. For this is part of the table view, so I'm just copying and serve.register. Now for code guidelines we have to follow some code guidelines, that's why I did to separate. And serve.tableview serve.tableview sample table view dot estimated height equals to I give 100, and serve dot sample table view dot row height equals to UI table view auto automatic dimension. So this is the very important tool line of the code. if we given that estimated row height, we can give minimum it's like 44, or if we can reduce 10 also. It depend on the requirement, but I am giving the 100 to show more, and this is automatically change depend on the text size. If text is more, it will be increases. So now we can go ahead, just sample. I didn't given the constraint, so I just give label text sample text label. So yeah, so we need to use it here. Something is nip bracket. Oh, I'm so sorry. The mistake I did is this one. We forgot bundle name nil. Yeah, yeah. Now it's fine. Sample cell dot table view dot text. Uh, if I give some text more, like hello world dot, and we give some more text randomly, whatever. Yeah. So I'm just running the project in iPhone 8, so you can see how it's going on. Before I will create one there, there, array. I will not change, I just give. I just given 0, so it will be not there. Actually, I'm sorry, I didn't give the row height is 1, so it will not show any cell. So I just convert to 0 to 1, so it will be show one cell. Yeah, you can see here all text will be there, and I have given the center, this one, so it will be going to center, and just take it here and give some text. More text means like extra. I just give bigger, and you can see the text size. Yeah, you can see here complete cell will be increases as per the text size and it will be fit properly. Yeah, so there is only one thing we have to give proper estimated row height and UI table view automatic dimension, so it will be increased. And if you given the if you forget to remove line number 1 0, if you didn't do that the 0, then it will be not taking the increase height, it will be shown in a single line of the label. So I will show you, it will not increase because text will be shown in a single line. So you need to get the 0 here, another it will be not show proper. You can here, yeah, so single line it will be created, and you can see the cell height it will be less if you give the 0, and you have to give the word wrap also. If it is cell width is completed, it will be automatic go to the next line. So that's why we have a line number 0 and it automatic increases the cell height, and label it will be show very proper, and it is very simple. Only we have to return two line of the code, and this line number is we have to give 0. Okay, thank you.